Hello, hello! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these delicious bhajias that are a breeze to make. I started by slicing about 4 potatoes thinly, and then you want to add some salt to them. Salt's going to help draw out the excess starch. I then gave them a good wash after about 10 minutes and put them in a separate bowl. Get a whole fresh bowl and add about a cup of gram flour. This is not normal, but I like to do this. I like to add about 1.5 tablespoons of regular all-purpose flour. It just gives it a little bit of a chewy texture. I then added some salt and garlic. Raise your hand if you have a beat up garlic press at home. I can't let go of this one. This is my favorite one. To that, I added a little turmeric, about a 1/4 teaspoon, and some chili powder. Feel free to omit the chili powder. You can even use fresh chilies. This is just the basis of it. I then added some dhania, coriander. Ugh, sticky. Then want to give everything a good stir, just to make sure it's all mixed up. And add your potato slices there. If you want, you can add some water to the batter beforehand, but this is the right way to do it. This is how I was taught to do it. So I'm sticking to that. You then just want to make sure that each potato slice is well coated, and then let it sit for another about 8 minutes or 10 minutes max. You then want to just heat some oil and add your bhajias in there. But wait, Vanessa, that can't be it. Yes, it can, and that is it. Enjoy with some great coconut chutney or chili or, tamarind. Perfect with these. Tamarind sauce is just mwah. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. And do click the little bell icon so you get notified when a new tutorial comes out. And as always, guys, happy cooking!